Thank you for joining our auction today. We're excited. It's been extended bidding for almost 15 minutes now.
Might as well get the high bids in.
Might as well. You stick your high bids in there and just let it ride. We have about 60 other companies worldwide that we work with, and we've had a ton of out-of-state interest on these trucks, and they're in their bidding right now. So we're just super excited, and we appreciate all you guys out there joining in.
I think 11 states, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Bidders from
like
11
that.
states, and we're so grateful to be selling for Middle Tennessee Electric, our great co-op here. 15 minutes past 1 o'clock, and there's somebody hit it again.
Yeah, so every time someone bids, it extends all of them just in case one might get too high up for you. You're able to move your money onto another truck, and that just gives you the opportunity. So the other truck doesn't end, you can still get in there and get your bids in just in case. It's really helped a lot of our auctions doing it that way, and buyers seem to get what they want.
We do it with real estate, with equipment like this, anything that's kind of similar that someone could get outbid on and may be interested in a similar item secondarily or further down the line. We like to utilize this extend all option when it's the right fit. If you're a buyer and the one you want gets out of your price range, it can work for you too.
Mm-hmm.
If the one that you really wanted gets too high up in the wind, and you move on to, like I said, a secondary, or move on to third choice, fourth choice, you can still walk away with purchasing an asset, even if it wasn't your top choice.
Yep.
And I believe each one of these is met the reserve now.
Yep.
So we'll be selling each one of these trucks. Will be selling. Each one has met the reserve. So if that was holding you back from bidding on these assets, go ahead and let loose.
Now's the time.
We've had such great interest, a lot of views on these.
I think over 50,000 views. Anyway, it's just a great opportunity. There's some great trucks. I know we've had interest from tree service companies, other electrical companies, farmers,
dealers.
You don't come across these very often.
Lots of uses for them.
It's been extended for about 17 minutes now. It's still going up. A little less than a minute left.
At 35 seconds. No point in waiting.
No point in waiting.
Don't push it out another 2. It may be done.
15 seconds left.
That may be it. And all she wrote.
Looks like it.
I think that's all.
The bidding has ended, I think. All the lots are loading up now.
That's it.
Yep.
Everything closed.
Yeah.
Thanks everybody
Just like that.
for spending an afternoon with us, for checking in on this auction.
We appreciate it, and we'd like to do the same thing for you. If you have any equipment like this, we'd love to help. Like I said, we spread it across the globe. We had 11 out-of-state buyers on this particular auction, so very excited, and we'll get into all the bidders and send out invoices and communicate picking up.
It'll be sometime next week. Thank you.